In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Dream Screens TV skirt. You can see we've got the package right here. If we open it up, we're going to see that we have two different TV skirts, one for each side of the TV if necessary, as well as instructions and thumbtacks. Now, the thumbtacks will be used if you do not want to use the Velcro that comes with the TV skirt to attach it. So let's get started. So the first step that we're going to take is we're going to measure how we're going to cut the TV skirt. We're going to both cut it to height and to width. So as you can see on this TV, we have this nice little ledge here. Some TVs won't have it, but we still recommend that you come up from the bottom several inches because it just doesn't look as good if it goes from top to bottom. So we're going to go from here above where the mount shows, but not all the way to the top. So I'm going to measure that. That's about 20 inches. Then I'm going to measure from the TV to the wall, the back of the TV to the wall. We've got about 5.5 inches here, no, about 5 inches. So what we recommend is that you use 1 inch per pleat plus 2 pleats. So I'm going to cut it after 7 pleats, and that's going to be about the ideal width. Otherwise, if you have too many pleats in there, it can get saggy and bow, and it won't look as good. So I'm going to go ahead and take my first TV skirt, and I'm going to cut it to 20 inches tall by 7 pleats wide because it's 5 inches wide. Here's what the TV looks like before we install the TV skirt. So we have our TV skirt cut to length and to width. Now you'll notice here that sometimes, because it has to be bent in the packaging, you'll see this little ridge here. That will work itself out over time. Or if you want to take a shortcut, you can take a blow dryer to this, blow dry it, and it will basically iron itself out. So it's up to you if you want to just let it naturally straighten out, or if you want to use a blow dryer to do that. So to install it, we recommend that you install the double-sided tape against the wall and the Velcro, which I've already attached to the top and bottom here, to the TV. It just looks better that way in our experience. The other thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set it back closer to the wall mount, because the further out it is out here, it makes the TV look a little bit boxy. And if it's back here, it makes it look a little bit more natural and as if it's part of the mount itself. So I'm going to peel the double-sided tape. I'm going to line it up on the wall about as far back as I want to do it and the right position. And I'm going to stick it to the wall and run my hand all the way up to make sure that it sticks top to bottom. Then I'm going to take the Velcro off, the double-sided tape on the Velcro, take the tabs off, and I'm going to attach it to the TV. And just like that, we have a TV skirt that hides your TV mount. And here's what it looks like after it's installed. Much improved.